Good evening, all of you. I am Sanjukta Rani Misra. Now, my aim is to start a vast discussion about our topic geology. Who are interested to learn more about geology, you can contact or you can learn through YouTube by a link or by a views. Then, now I start what is geology and how it is easy to learn a subject, like a very easy subject and very precious subject in our science subjects. Geology is first we start from what is geology. Geology, nothing else, it's derived from a Greek word ge and logos, G-E-G, which means termed or says that it is nothing about or nothing else, it's considered as our earth. And logos means to study and the science about which we study and about which we discussion. So totally geology is describes details about the study of earth science is known as our geology, and as different scopes gives by different fields which are utilized in different process and different areas. Suppose geology is the term first time it is used by the word first time used by a scientist whose name is Andre Dillon in 1778. Andre Dillon in 1778 first introduced the term geology. After that, sometimes what happens, different scientists modify it and recalled it. Then what they say, first geology is the term, and the geology term is first used by Andre Dillon in 1778. After that, it is fixed, modified or fixed scientific term by Horace Benedict de Saussure is another scientist name who later modified the term geology. And James Hutton is the father of geology, who known as the father of geology. He says that present is key to the past, and according to all present innovation and all happened in the world is come from the past lives and past histories. So according to their point of view, present is key to the past. Who is known as the father of geology? No one else, our James Hutton is the biggest scientist also. Simply, our earth is divided into 4 spheres. One is our atmospheres. Second is our hydrospheres. Third is our geospheres. Fourth is our biospheres. Now we discuss elaborately what is atmospheres. Okay, atmosphere is nothing else but our air that surrounding the earth, and the air consists of different types of gas such as oxygen, hydrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapors mixed in different amounts. Again, they are laterally divided different layers. We discussed about largely in layers. Simply, atmosphere means the air or the air that surrounding the earth. Next come to the second one is our the hydrospheres, which is our storehouse of Earth's total waters regime, comprising the oceanic waters, sea waters, ice, underground water, river waters, and different types of field where we store in the water in large amount. And it also may be a runoff water, and it also may be a underground waters. That depends upon where the water is stored or where the water is recirculated. Next come to the third, the geosphere. What is geosphere and why the term used geospheres? Third, which is known as our third layer of the earth, which is a solid compound or component materials of the earth consisting of soils. Soils means the sediment particles, different size sediment particles. Rhyolith, which represents or termed as loose cemented rock materials or rock particles. Solid rocks, layers of rocks, metals, associations and metallic alloys, iron and nickels, as is observed and interpreted from the top towards the center of the earth. And our earth center is a solid part which is consist of large amount of iron and nickels. Again, they are divided into different layers. When we study details, we largely elaborate about that. Next come to the fourth layers, which is very unique and different from other three layers, that are our biospheres. What is biospheres? Biospheres is nothing else to forms Earth's organic world comprises of the living beings and the undercomposed organic matters. What organic matters composed on Earth's surface or on the Earth is known as our biospheres. Again, that also we detail study later. This is the simple fundamentals or simple things that broad sense we divided into four spheres. First one is our atmosphere, second is hydrosphere, third is third is geosphere, fourth is biosphere.